How to verify exness account in Ghana. Okay, so all I have to do is to just log into your exness account, and then when you look here, it says verification required. Okay, it means you have to continue the verification, right? And then when you look at the top right hand corner, it says complete profile. Okay, just as you can see, complete profile. Just click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, we have the 3 stages of verification. We have the email verification, which you are going to do it. That you also have the verification of your phone and then your personal information. So let's start with the email first. All you have to do is just click on send me a code. Okay, just click on send me a code, and then they are going to send you this code into your email. Okay, so all I have to do is just go to your email and then copy this code just like this one, just highlight it and then copy it, Ctrl+C to copy, and then come and paste it right here. Okay, the next thing I have to do is to just click on the continue. So just click on the continue, and it is so easy. The next thing is to verify your phone number. Over here you are going to put in your phone number. Make sure it is accurate, okay, because they are going to send you a code, and you can choose any of these by SMS or even a phone call. Okay, so after that, the next thing I do is to just click on send me a code. Okay, and they are going to send you the code. Just come and put it right here. After placing it there, then you click on the continue, then you have your phone verified. The next thing is the personal information. Okay, all I have to do is just put in your first name here, then your last name, then you select your gender, it being a female, male or other, then your date of birth, the month, the day, and then the year, then your address. Over here I want to say something very important. Okay, so this side, at the address side, what I will say is that before you put anything here, just look at the document. If you are going to use utility bill, make sure that the name on the utility bill is the same name on your ID card. Okay, and then the address, make sure that the address that you are going to put here, it is the same address on the utility bill. So after putting in the address, all that you are going to do is to just click on the continue. So after clicking on the continue, as you can see, we are all set. Our identification documents have been verified successfully. Okay, so that is the first stage of verification, and beside that, we also have the other one whereby we are going to send them our proof of residence. Okay, this is also very important. All I have to do is to just come here and then just continue with the verification. Okay, so as you can see, complete the verification by sending us a proof of your residence document. Okay, so all I have to do is just click on complete verification. So let's click on it, and then it is in 2 folds. We have the economic profile, whereby over here what you're going to do is to select your occupation, the industry that you are in, any of these sector. Okay, just take your time and then look through. You will surely find yours, and then you select it. Okay, if you don't have any of it, just select other. Okay, the next question is, what is your employment status? All I have to do is just go through and then select any of them. If you are employed full-time, self-employed, employed part-time, unemployed, student, retired, just select any of them. Okay, then the next question is, do you have previous trading experience? If you have some, yes, select it. It's been 1 year or 1 year plus, or 1 year plus 2 years, or 1 year or 4 years, whatever, or you don't even have it, just select it. Okay, the next question is, what is the purpose of you opening this account? Is it for investments, for hedging, for speculation? Just select it. Okay, and the next thing is select your annual income. Okay, just select any of these. The thing is, if you are honest, you are still going to get your account created. Okay, so it depends on you. And then the next thing is, please select your total wealth. So just go through, look at the amount over there, then you select it. Any of them that you select, you will still get your account created for you. Okay, you are not going to prove anything here. So the next thing is, please select your source of income and wealth. So any of these sources, then you select it. When you are done, just click on continue. Okay, you simply hit on the continue, and then the next thing is to verify your document. As I said, over here you are going to verify the document. Okay, what they look at is the name on the document and the address. Okay, okay? It is very important. So as you can see on the next screen, we will simply check, and then they will ask you to upload a document which is of 1 or 2. Then they are going to see if it is actually true it is you. You can edit your name, and all you have to do is just click on upload document, okay? And what you are going to do is that they are going to make you select where you are. So you are going to first verify your identity, and then you have to select your country. So after selecting it, you can then select any of these ID type, okay? It's being passport, driver's license, ID card, which is the Ghana card. You have to take a front and then back picture of it. And then if you have insurance card too, you can take the front size. If you have a voter's ID card too, you can take the front size as well, okay? So you just have to select any of these. I'm just going to use the ID card, which is the Ghana card, okay? Over here, you are then going to take a front picture and then a back picture of it, okay? But you have to make sure that the date, the name, and then date of issue is clear, and then go by these do's and don'ts, okay? So let's look at the do of this part first, and that is the photo has to be clear, and then it has to be readable, it has to have a good quality, and then all the 4 corners must appear, okay? Do not crop it. Make sure that all the 4 corners are showing, okay? And some of the don'ts are do not upload an image which is blurry, okay? So now when you get to know how to take the picture, just take it how they want it, and you can simply upload it using your mobile phone, or you can use a laptop or a desktop computer. All you have to do is to simply click on the upload the front of your document. When you are done, then you click on upload the back of your document, okay? Then you upload these 2 documents, and then you click on submit document, okay? So after you are done, the next thing is to verify your residence, okay? So as you can see, we have residential verification. This one is very crucial. As I said, they are just going to look at the name and then the address that you placed over here, okay? It is very important to make sure that it is the same as the one that you put in at the address side, okay? And then you can use any of these. You can use the bank statement, the utility bill, okay? It's been gas, phone, electric, any of these. And then you can also use the statement from payment system account, and you can also use the tax certificate. That is the TIN number here in Ghana, okay? And then you have to make sure that any of these documents that you are going to use, it is not older than 6 months from the day that you are applying for your exness account, okay? It has to be within 6 months. So if you are having any of the documents, let's say the TIN number, and then the TIN certificate was issued to you, let's say last year, you cannot use that one to verify. It will be rejected, okay? When you select any of them, what you have to do is to simply take a picture of it, okay? Then just follow the do and then the don't, just like what we discussed. And then you can simply come and then click on upload proof of residence, okay? You can use your phone to do it or the laptop to do it. Then you click on submit document. So when you click on submit document, this will come. As you can see, your documents are under review. This is what they are going to tell you, and mostly it takes from 3 to 7 minutes, or it can also be within 24 hours, okay? So when you check your mail, you will see that they have sent you a mail that your proof of residential address have been received, okay? So and then it has been successful. So this is how to verify your documents without getting any rejection, okay? So thank you for watching this video. I am glad that you were able to stay to the end. So just like it, and then see you in my next video.